Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you an application which I have designed myself, which takes an entry through plain text and saves it in your local directories. And the application runs through the final.exe file. And in the first use, you'll be asked to enter a password for every time you are going to log into your the application. Yeah, the password can be anything, and if you want to know what you're typing, I mean the show password shows what you're typing. Actually, I'm gonna leave it as 1 for now, and you must select a location to save your logs. I'm gonna save it here. You can save it anywhere. And here is a security question which you must enter in case if you have forgotten your password and all. I'm gonna leave it 1 2 3, and you will be if I'm gonna show it to you in a second. And just remember that the security question is 1 2 3 and the answer is 1 2 3. Register user, and it's gonna take you to an interface like this where you can enter your text and give tags to the text and search the files using the text. I'm gonna go deep into it later, but first I'm gonna show you the login now. And in the second use, you'll be given a login page and you'll be asked a password. I can log into it using my password, and I can access the show password here. If you have forgotten your password, you can use forgot password, and it's gonna show you the security question here 1 2 3. And if you enter the perfect security answer, it's gonna take you to the reset password page, and the security answer is 1 2 3. And enter new password. It's asking me to enter a new password for my entry. I'm gonna change it to 1 2 3 for now and enter. And you can see that I can now enter using 1 2 3. And now just enter your text in plain. You can just use the text in plain text, and of course you can change the the text style. I'm gonna go into it later. It's in the settings config menu, and you can use F1 to get the info. Now del, I'm gonna name the tag as del, because I'm gonna delete it in some time. And you can save it using Ctrl S, and the update goes black, which indicates that it is updating and nothing wrong is happening right now. You can update your files. The changes will be saved without any issues. And in such files, here you're seeing tag search and text search and date search. I'm gonna tell you about text search and date search in some time. Let's first see about tag search. Tag search is, you can search using the tags which you have given here. I have given this del. First I'm gonna erase this, and I'm gonna show you del. And I just have only single file which consists of del, and you can see that the content in the del.txt file is being updated here. And I'm gonna and you can use Ctrl I to print the date and time, and I'm gonna name it tag1, and I'm gonna save it. Tag1. Yeah, this is tag1. You can open new file using Ctrl N, and it asks about you're about to open new file. Any unset data will be lost, and you can type anything you want, and I'm gonna name it tag2, and I'm saving it. If I search tag1, I am getting the previous file, and if I search tag 2, I'm getting the new updated file here. If I search tag 1 and tag 2, nothing is going to come here, because I am checking any tags which contain any file which contains both the tags. So if I put the radio button in inclusive, which includes every tag which contains at least tag 1 or tag 2, and if I search right now, I am getting 2 files, and one file has tag 1 and one file has tag 2. Yeah, that's going to be clear for you now. If I create a new entry and save it as tag 1 and tag 2, it's tag. Okay, tag, you can save multiple tags using comma as a separator. And tag 2, I'm using tag 1 and tag 2 as tags for this file, and I'm saving this. You can see the updated and saved here, tag 1 and tag 2. And if I search tag 1 and tag 2 here, 3 files are coming here, which indicates that there are 3 files including which contains tag 1 or tag 2 or tag 1 and 2 included. If I type exclusive, I'm gonna get only the new file which I have written tag 1 and tag 2, because I just have tag 1 and tag 2, because a file must contain both the given tags in that. And you can use text search to search the file's text. You can access text from the file to this, and I'm searching for tag 2. It's already there. I'm gonna open tag 1 JHJHJV. I have written JHJHJV. I'm gonna open the file in a minute. JHJHJV, and if I search, I'm getting a file which includes the JHJH and JV. And you can use date search in the format of year, month, and date. I'm gonna 2020-05, and the date is 27th, and I'm gonna give it 26th, which is yesterday. And if you search 25, it shows any file on 25th. On 27th, it shows all the files which are written in 27th, that is today. And if you 26 comma, if you enter multiple dates separated by a comma, it's gonna show all the files written on the particular given dates. See, this is written on 26th, 27th, 27th, and 27th. If you have added a hyphen between them, it's gonna give all the files which are written in between those days, that is 26th and 29th. A hyphen, the 2 dates separated by hyphen in between 26th and 29th, the files are all gonna be appear here, because there are no multiple files here. Nothing is showing up. If I put 27 and 27 here, files written on 27th come here. 26th, this is not going to work, because the files must be in chronological order, that is, the small date should be in the beginning and the last date should be at the end. Okay, that's all about the search here. And now moving on to the options, you can use the accelerator Control plus O, or you can use options here and go to config, and config here changes. See, you can change the color to white, text color to green. Yeah, everything is your wish. Font your way, you can change anything you want. And if you don't press save, I'm gonna change it to 23 and and I just pressed enter to update the text size. And if you don't hit the save, these settings are just gonna be these sessions. And if I close the application and reopen it again, the settings are gonna be reverted. What you must do is that you must your wish, you can you change the settings 45, and you must hit save, which saves the settings in a settings file. And if you close right now, if you close it and if you open it again, it's gonna open up with the same settings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, you can see the time is being updated here. You can use it in a full screen mode, but I don't really like the the look of it. That's it for now. Yeah, you can suggest any updates if you want in the comment section, and feedbacks are most welcome. I'll take leave, and thank you for watching.